Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I'll show you how to create and optimize the collections to maximize your sales and to improve your SEO in a process. So you will learn how to create the collection,
how to add the collections to the top menu and create a drop-down menu,
how to add products and 2 different ways of adding products,
how to add collections to your homepage, and also how to create a collections list. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. So let's jump right in. First, let's explain why collections are important. Collections divide your products into need groups and help your customers find the products quicker, which means they can order it from you much easier, which results in more sales and a higher conversion rate. Collections improve your user experience, make your visitors stay on your website for longer, see more products, and buy much quicker. The worst you can do is to put all of the products in one collection. In some of the stores, you can see all of the products under a shop link, which means that the visitor has to do all of the hard work browsing through a number of pages before they find what they were looking for. This is considered very bad user experience, can actually affect your SEO because if your website is not user-friendly, people won't be staying on your website for longer, which will affect your dwell time, and without a doubt, it would affect your sales and conversion rate. So collections need to be added, and make sure to put at least 8 to 10 products in a collection. Don't make the mistake of placing only 1 or 2 products in a collection, because that can also be considered as bad user experience. If people have to click and click back just to find few products, that can also annoy them, which can affect your sales. If there's no better way to categorize the product better, make the collections more general and then divide the collections into more specific sub-collections once you've got more products. One example of that would be to put tights, socks, handbags into more general collections called accessories. And once you get more tights, for example, you expand your tights collection and you end up with having 20 pairs of tights, then it makes sense to put it in a separate collection. But don't do it until you fill at least 1 or 2 pages in a collection. Now I'll show the difference between a manual collection and automated collection, how to set both up, and what are the pros and cons of each one. So first of all, let's create new collection. Go to Products, Collections, and click on Create Collection. And as you can see, this is the page where you can input your collection details. So, collection title, short description. You can manage availability on which sales channels it is available. You can schedule for the collection to be published at a certain time. You can add a featured image to the collection. Here's the part where you can specify whether the collection will be manual or automated. By default, the collection is set to be automated, but you can easily change it to manual. Also, when you scroll all the way down, here's the part where you optimize the Google snippet of the collection, which is meta title and meta description. And I'll show you how to set your first collection. So let's say we want to sell women's hoodies. Let's put a title first. Women's hoodies. This is short description. It's not always visible at the top of the collection. It really depends on a theme. Some of the themes display it, some don't. But it's good to have it for the SEO reasons, just in case. So I'll put a short description here. Okay, as you can see, I just put 2 sentences of the description. Don't put too long because it will take a lot of space on your above default. It will be displayed above your product, so you really don't want to take away from the valuable space on your collection page. And I used different forms of the same keyword, so I didn't repeat the keyword over and over again. I used few semantic keywords. So instead of women's hoodies, I used zipped ladies hoodies, hoodie with this spelling. So this is the best way to optimize your content for the collection, blog post, or page, remember to vary your keywords so you don't use any keyword stuffing. Now the next part is to add a collection image, and in another video shown here I show how to add a collection image, how to design with Canva, so I won't be going through the detail here, but I'll quickly add this image to the collection now. Okay, now the image is uploaded. Let's start by assigning products. As I mentioned in the beginning, you can assign the products automatically based on different conditions. So if you click this field, you will be able to see that you can assign the products based on the price, based on the vendor, based on the product type, based on a title, based on the tag, which is the default selection, based on a compared price. So for example, you can assign the products that are on sale based on weight, the stock inventory, and variants titles. This gives you plenty of opportunities to vary the products within the collection, which is perfect. And obviously you have to assign whether it is equal to a certain name. So obviously this will be list of tags or other elements once you fill them in. And also you can specify whether you want the products to have all of the conditions, if you add more than one condition, or just any of those conditions. The con with having automated product selection is that you've got no control if you want certain products to appear in a specific collection, because if the product doesn't meet the criteria of this collection, it means that it won't appear in it. So manual selection gives you much more control over in which collections the products appear in. Now I'll show you how to assign the products to the collection with the automated product selection. So I've added a few products, and now in order for the products to appear in this collection, I want to assign certain tags. So you can do it product by product, or you can do it in bulk, and I'll show you both methods. So let's say that I want to add a tag to this particular product, so I'll open it in a new tab, and at the same time I want to add tags to all of the women's hoodies, so I will select all of them. 4 out of 8, so I've added 4 ladies hoodies and 4 men's hoodies. Click edit products, and now I want to edit tags. Under add fields, I'll select tags. Now I'll remove all of those elements that I don't need to make the display clearer, and it will show me only tags available. So let's say I want to add a tag ladies hoodie. Click on the first field under tags and select your tag ladies hoodie. Click enter, and the same thing with the rest of the products. And remember that the tag needs to be spelled exactly the same way, otherwise it won't display in a collection once you add this tag.
Ladies hoodie.
And the last product. When finished, simply click save. And now, at the same time, I'll show you how to add the tags on the product page. So I open this new product, and if I scroll down, you can see that there is a place to add tags. I will add a tag, ladies hoodie. It probably already has it, but I'll add it again. So ladies hoodie, and then save. And this product has got a tag assigned. Now let's go back to the collection page. So under products, click on collections, women's hoodies. And if you scroll down, we'll be able to add automated selection based on the tags. So make sure that the automated is selected, and then specify the conditions. So product tag is equal to ladies hoodies. So spell the tag the same way as you did, hit enter, and then save. And now, based on the condition we created, those 4 products should be displayed in this collection. No products are selected, and this is one of the cons of using those automated collections. That's why I encourage you to use manual collection settings. However, I will want to fix it, so I'll try to see what's gone wrong. So I'll go back to the product, I'll open it in a new tab. I think I know what's wrong, because I spelled the tag wrong. I added the hoodie as a tag, and I've added the hoodies as a tag. So I'll correct it, click save. Okay, and I've got those 4 products being shown here. So as you can see, you have to use the tag spelled the same way all the time, otherwise you'll see those kind of errors. It is very, very easy to make mistake if you use automated collection settings. And now let's view this collection. So click on view. and it opens in new tab. As you can see, the collection title is displayed here, the collection image is nicely displayed here, a short description. It doesn't take too much space, so the products are still displayed above the fold. I'll close this tab, and the products are nicely displayed. All the products say the price is 0 and the product is sold out because I haven't filled the inventory number or the price. And now if I wanted to change the order of the products, I can easily do it from this collection. Let's say I want to display the pink hoodie, the green hoodie, the gray hoodie, and then the black hoodie as the last one. So I'll show you how to do it. Go back to the collection, scroll down, and here you will be able to sort the products by best-selling, product title from A to Z, or other variants, but I want to sort them out manually to show the products in the order I want. So I'll simply drag and drop the product I want to display first. So as I mentioned, pink, then green, then gray, and the black as the last one. And the products are automatically updated, so you don't have to click save. Now let's view this collection, refresh the page. And the products are displayed in how I wanted, in the right order, which is perfect. Now let's add a new collection, and it will be manually set collection. So go back to collections, create a collection. Hoodies. I'll add an image. Okay, I'll skip the description for now. And now I'll choose the manual selection and click save. And now in order to add products, I've got much more control over which products will display, and I won't have to skip between product tags and other elements. I can simply select the products I want to display in this collection and then remove the products from the collection easily without changing the tags and changing other elements. So this is much easier to manage collection settings. So let's say I want to add all of the men's hoodies. So browse. And I'll select all of the men's hoodies I've added so far. Simply search for the title, men's hoodies. Select all of the 4 hoodies that I've got and click add. And as you can see, those hoodies appeared in a collection very quickly. So let's view this collection now. View in online store. It opens a new tab, and as you can see, the featured image, the collection title is displayed here, and the products are displayed the same way. You can change the order of those products the same way. Simply make sure to select to sort out manually. And now let's add those collections to our menu. In order to do that, go to online store, navigation, and by default, we've got main menu and footer menu here. Main menu has got only home and catalog, and we can work on that. Click on main menu, and here we've got main menu items. Now we can change catalog name to something much stronger like shop. It will help us with sales and conversion rate. And by default, this link is assigned to all products. Now simply click apply changes and save. Now the next step is to add sub-collections to our top menu. So by default, the shop link will link to all of the products in our store, and I want to give our visitors a choice to click to individual collections as well. I will now add our 2 collections underneath the shop menu. In order to do that, I will click on add menu item and search for our collection. So underneath the link, click on 2 collections and select men's hoodies. I can rename it if I wanted, or I can leave the default name and click add. Now this new added collection displays as another element in our top menu, but I really want to add it as a sub-collection underneath a shop menu. So I'll simply drag and drop it until it displays underneath the shop menu. This way it will be displaying as a drop-down menu. I will now add the ladies' hoodies the same way. And I'll rename it to ladies hoodies and click add. Our menu is ready. I'll click save and view our shop. Simply click this eye icon, and as you can see, we've got the shop link at the top and 2 collections below, which is perfect. And the next step is to add our collections to the homepage, because at the moment our homepage is quite bare and I want to show one of our feature collections right here. So in order to do that, go back to your store admin. Under online store, click on themes and click on customize. In this section, we'll be able to edit the design elements of our homepage and of other parts of our website. And now we want to add a featured collection. So I've got featured collection element on the left, so I'll simply click it and change the name because I don't like this generic sounding name. I'll just change it to Ladies Hoodies, or even better, add a stronger call to action. Shop for Ladies Hoodies. Click on Select Collection, and I'll select our Women's Hoodies collection. Simply click it and select. As you can see, those products are automatically displayed on our homepage. If you want to change how many items are being displayed per row, simply drag and drop this selection to display only 2 items per row. 2 items are being displayed per row, and in only 2 rows we've got only 4 items in this collection, which looks great. We can select View All button below, so people can click and view all of the collection if they wanted. And additionally, if you wanted to edit this collection, you can do it from here. Click Edit Collection, it opens in a new tab, and we can edit it easily here. Now let's go back and click Save. Now let's refresh our website. And as you can see, this featured collection is now changed to Shop for Ladies Hoodies, and our products are displayed in 2 rows as we wanted. Another cool feature we can add is to show a list of our collections on the homepage, and I'll show you how to do that. Simply click Add Section and Collection List. Select it and click Add. And because we've got only 2 collections, I'll change it to 2 collections per row. I'll also change the title from the collection list to Shop Our Hoodies. And by default, this element has got 2 collections, so I'll remove one of them. So click it and remove content, and I'll optimize those 2 collections. So click the first one, select collection, click on Men's Hoodies, select, and as you can see, the featured image is displayed on the collections list. That's why it's important to add featured image to each collection. And now I'll add a second collection. Click on a collection, select collection, Women's Hoodies, and hit select. Now save and preview our website. So I'll refresh it and scroll down because it's at the bottom of the homepage. And our collection list is right here. It looks really, really good. And this is how you add and optimize your Shopify collections. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. If you do it this way, as shown in the video, it will help you improve your sales, SEO, and conversion rate. And if you like this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. And let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite, manual selection or the automatic selection, and which one are you currently using. Leave the comment below. Now check those 2 videos recommended for you here to watch next.